I need this spreadsheet cleaned up. This is for tax totals. Here's the front sheet, and just, provide some like columns, and so it's easier to see, some shading, and can fill in rows. Everything to the top here is personal, and then everything under here are business expenses. These transactions need to be added in to here, and then just clean this up a little bit too, just so you can see. You can see it better, and then pull those totals that you're going to get. And I think you should be able to figure it out, but if you can't, feel free to ask me questions. So these are I think these are going to be the only categories that you're going to have. So if you have to meld some of these together, again, I think you can figure it out, but let me know. Okay.